Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. So I am going to be sharing with you a bunch of goodies that I bought from Elle Studios. I went a little crazy, but I'm so excited. I think these items are really going to complement the things that I bought at Ali Edwards. I haven't gotten that package yet, but I did purchase some stuff from her shop as well for my December daily and my planner, and just because I love Christmas and, you know, I have tons of Christmas stuff and why not have more? So I want to go ahead and go through this with you and show you all the goodies that I got. So let's go ahead and jump in and I will show you what I got. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with the items from the kit, which I think these are all of them, I think. So, actually I think this was separate. This was definitely from the kit. So let me open this one. So I got this little Document December stickers, and I actually got two of those because I bought one separately. I did a one order. I think I got two of those. Yeah, here it is. Oh, it's different. Oh, cool. It's different. Okay, great. So then I got this sticker sheet, Document December. So Sure Collections called Document December. And really cute. I love, love, love word stickers. So I love the font on those. And then there's this piece that came in the collection. Love that. Some letter stickers. I love these types of looks kind of like a Scrabble tile or a square, like little tile ones. Bunch of die cuts, which I'll go over in a second. And then some wood veneers. Really cute wood veneers. Very cute. And then most of these were just, and the main part of the collection are these sterling cards. Now, I'm not really one for pink. That's not really my thing, but I thought I'd get to give it a shot this year, you know, mix it up a little bit. So I think these are not double-sided, which I actually appreciate. Nice, just green. That's really cute. And then that one. And then I love the little holly, well, it's not really holly, but the little fig leaves. This one, Embracing All the Moments of the Holiday Season. This kind of just plain one that you can kind of decorate. And then a recipe card. And then I love that one. Look how cute that one is. This one says the Merry Details. 3 are my favorite. On this day in December. The holly leaf. Recipe. Love that one. I love this one too. I love like list ones. And I love that it's kind of got the mint and then the darker green, that kind of combination. And then just another journaling card. Love this one. That one's really cute. And then this day on December. And then the tree that matches the die cut. The wood veneer. I love this one. The Presents, Currently Loving. Details from Christmas Eve. Love that one. Love this one. These are all really, really cute. So I did 2 orders. I originally wasn't going to get the kit. And I ordered a bunch of stuff, and then once I saw Ali Edwards kits, I just got the mini kit for her, and so I thought this would complement that one. And so let's go ahead and let's look at I'm going to open the die cuts after we look at everything else. Then I got these joyful stickers. Again, I love word stickers. I think just adding a little word sometimes is really all you need. And I've used a lot of my word stickers that I've already have. These are chipboard stickers. I love these. There's all the word stickers in there, and just these little accent pieces. The 25, the presents, and then these Christmas cookies. Really, really cute. I don't know if I'll be making Christmas cookies this year, but maybe I will just because I have that sticker sheet. And then I did get the Fa La La paper pad. So I'll go through these real quick. Looks like there's 2 of each of the designs. I'm not sure about that gray. Candy cane. This is typically this is a little bit more whimsical than I typically go for, but last year I did kind of more like the vintage style, and I just wanted to mix it up this year and go for a little bit more fun and whimsical. Love the stars. I think the stars are going to be, because I got the star mini kit from Ali Edwards, and I think that's going to be kind of like my main thing this year is stars. So yeah, I loved this paper. I love that the obviously matches everything. And then I also got the I'll pull out one of these pages, this acetate numbers. I won't go through all of these, I'll just show you a couple of them. I'm not sure if it goes I think it's say if it's 1 through 35 or just, I don't know if it goes to 31 or if it's just 25. I'm actually curious now. So, oh, it is 31. There it is. And I loved that it also had some stars in there. But basically, there's acetate little numbers. So, excited about those. So, I won't show you all of them, but basically, they're just acetate numbers, and it goes from 1 to 31. And then it had some stars in there as well. And then I got the tiny shapes and dots stickers, again, mainly for the stars, but I like the hearts too, and I like the dots. I think sometimes you just need that little touch of something. I also got these puffy stickers. Love the fonts on this, the words. Love all these too. Love that. I got this gather. This was actually from this was on sale. It was I think it was from one of her Christmas kits. I mean Thanksgiving kits. And then I got, oh wait, here, let me. And I also got another set of acetate shapes. I really like acetate. It's a medium I really like working with. So I'm going to show you all of these ones. There's quite a few in here. This was from her 2019 collection. So there's this little star, heart one, a Christmas tree. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Good cheer, little heart, another one of those little shapes. Heart one. Love this. And then it's got some journaling cards in there. Some star stuff, which I'm super excited about. And then I loved this one. It's like a little overlay. That one looks like. Simple Joys. This one is just says fa la 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 la. And then another little star, another photo overlay. This one says Merry Christmas. And then another one of those little pieces. There's another one of those. A little heart. Another little star. A couple other little stars. A couple other hearts. And then another heart. And then this one says Much Joy. Really liked those. Those are really cute. So I will put those back in the bag in a second. Let's see, what else did I get? Okay, I also picked up a pack of the longer tag or longer journaling cards. I got the sheet protectors that are like this for Elle. So there's two of each of them. So I love the 12. I could do like a 12 days of Christmas kind of thing with this one. And then I love that this one had the little stars on it. I wasn't too great fond of this one, but it could make a cute little place to do journaling on. And then that one could be another like little list thing. I love this one on the day. Like I can even cut these up and just use them as little die cuts. Okay, so it's that one, and then let's see. I got a lot of stuff, guys. All right, so then I also got this December 2020 it's a acrylic piece. They're pretty thick. And then I also got this pack of Christmas die cut labels. I love these. I just love how plain and simple they are. And I love the colors in all of them. And then I also decided to pick up the jewel tone ones, just because I love the shapes of these, and I can use these in my planner. And then I did pick up all of these stickers with the December on it through the 31st, just because, you know, I could use them in my planner, and I have a couple of different planners, and then I can use them in this. So I just picked up all the colors because I didn't know really what I would want to use it for. And I think these were like pretty inexpensive. And I did pick up a couple of things of her alpha stickers. These were on sale as well, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So I decided to pick up those. And then I also picked up a couple of these. I love the size of these. They're nice and thin, and yeah, I mean, I have plenty of alpha stickers. I didn't need any more, but I picked them up anyway. And then just for my planner itself, my Cappy planner, I picked up these week in review. I thought that would be a fun thing to do for my Happy Planner, so I picked up those. And so let's look at the die cuts. This is the last thing I picked up. This actually came in the main kit. So I picked up the die cuts came in the main kit, so I'll try to go through these fairly quickly. So there's a bunch of labels in here, which I'm super excited about. So there's a bunch of label stickers, and I love that they're all kind of different shapes, and they're like some have the hard corners, some have the corner cuts, some of them are circles. There's like different little circle pieces in here. December 25th. There's a couple of tags. There's the Christmas tree. There's that little on this day in December. Love that tree sold. That's really cute. And then a bunch of these much more of those. And then on December again. I love and then another one of those. I love those. And let's see, there's another one of those. And then just some other little accent pieces. The perfect tree, a little bow, a couple little bows, some circles, little circles, more circles, little candy canes, Christmas tradition. Love this season. There's another little tab. Oh, what fun. Another little accent piece. Stocking. A present. Another stocking. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Excited for Santa. A little present. And then a couple of more little tabs. That one says currently, twinkle, joyful, and favorite. and the other tab says Mary. So yeah, super excited to have all these pieces. I'm just being super intentional this year about December daily, because December is my favorite time of year, and I know if I don't be intentional about making it a good year, it's going to be a hard year. It's been a hard year, and I just need to do something to end the year off right. So I decided to treat myself. Anyway, guys, that was everything I bought for Elle Studios, and I will also be sharing my Ali Edwards stuff when it comes in. I just wanted to go ahead and show you this because if you are interested, I do recommend going to Elle Studios and purchasing the stuff, because you never know when stuff's going to sell out. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.